getting into the meditation, and today's meditation is going to be madness. So here we are, one deep breath in, and take a deep breath in and tap your forehead. And on the forehead, as you tap, allow the frequencies of Meenal to come to you. And allow the frequencies of Meenal to be with you. And Meenal is madness. And today we are going to allow ourselves to be fully, totally mad. Mad with laughter, mad with love. Mad with laughter, mad with love. Love towards who? Towards ourselves. Being childlike, having so much love for ourselves. And as you take in the energy of Meenal into your heart, I want you to first start making faces. Make faces like the kinds that you would have made when you were 2 years old and you were fighting with someone. Like, 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 Make those faces. Fight with someone as if you're a 2 year old. Become that funny to yourself. Make faces at yourself. If you get the judgment, then it is time for you right now to release that judgment and look at you as if you are a bloody monkey. You are a monkey in this moment. Drop all the knowledge, all of the PhDs that you have collected, and be in the knowing of being a total monkey. And make faces, make noses, make faces. That is what you need to do right now. And give yourself a big laugh. Roll as you look at yourself making these faces, making these funny faces at yourself. Can you see how funny you are looking? Have fun with yourself right now. Are you judging yourself? Are you laughing? Are you laughing, or are you having fun, or are you judging yourself? Be this Devi of madness in the now. You are the Devi, man, woman, gender, not important. You are the Devi of madness in this moment. And look at yourself making faces. Look at this Devi making faces at you. You are mad. You are this child. You are laughing. You are having so much fun. झूमो अभी, गाओ अभी. Laugh and be in total madness. That is the funniest, most hilarious meditation that you would have ever done. Uh, uh, uh. Being totally in the moment of masti, in the now. Bum hila hila ke. Be in that masti. Sir hila hila ke. मस्ती में झूम के. Be in masti. Be totally mad and laugh. Laugh at yourself. Look at yourself. You are looking so cute. You're the most adorable baby that you've seen. And be that baby. For the 9 days of masti, be this gorgeous, hilarious, stupidest baby that you can be. Om Mani, Om Mani, Om Mani. In this place of laughter, I want you to sit. In this place of masti, I want you to be.